Learn to make your own bath and body products from scratch and know what your products contain. You can make your own products to sell, for gifts, or for yourself as a hobby. There are free, easy-to-use recipes on our website to help you on your journey. We've got the largest variety of melted pour soap bases as well as soap molds in the country at competitive prices. If you're a beginner and just want to try your own bath and body product making to gain confidence, well, you can go and use our kits to kickstart. Our clients include hobbyists, entrepreneurs, hotels and B&Bs, day spas, craft shops, marketeers, and you. We also have a variety of prepared bases to which you can just add your own fragrance or essential oil. You can also buy oil supplies in store at Shop 2, 53 Duvenhage Avenue, Edley, Kempton Park, Johannesburg. Or simply head over to our website at www.funwithsoap.co.za. We courier nationwide. We look forward to hearing from you soon and cannot wait to help you on your new endeavor.